Hello, my name is Bennett Jones. I'm the owner of Advanced Concrete Sign. We first got involved with Vacuworx about 4 years ago. We bought the PS1, it's a small unit, and we use that on our small demolition robot and our Sherpa. Our guys really like it because it saves their backs, and it really has sped up a lot of jobs. Before we had any Vacuworx equipment, the smaller jobs we would just cut into small pieces and remove it by hand. It was all grunt labor on two-wheelers. And the big jobs, we'd either have a couple forklifts there and pick the pieces, which was slow. The Vacuworx equipment has helped us on a lot of different jobs. We were using them on our skid steer, remove big projects, smaller projects we can't get a skid steer in, we've used it on our robot, and we pull it pieces, put on a cart and wheel out. Or on a pallet jack. You get employees that don't go anywhere else because you have new equipment. You get customers that call you back because they like what they see in our equipment.